The Senate has finally passed legislation to expand health care benefits for veterans exposed to toxic burn pits.
The bipartisan bill passed by a vote of 86 to 11. President Biden says he will sign the bill on Monday. Republican senators had blocked the legislation last week, despite passing an earlier version of it in June. That delay angered many veterans groups and advocates like comedian Jon Stewart, who was a vocal supporter of the bill and spoke outside the Capitol after it passed.
I'm not sure I've ever seen a situation where people who have already given so much had to fight so hard to get so little. And I hope we learn a lesson.
Katie Purswell joins us now. She is the Director of Veterans Affairs and Rehabilitation at the American Legion. Katie, thanks for being with us. I'd like to just start by asking your reaction. I mean, now that this legislation is finally passed, the Senate headed to the president's desk. What an exhausting process for you, I'm sure.
It has been such a long process for us and many disappointments along the way. But the American Legion, we could just not be more thrilled that this legislation is on its way to the president's desk. It's been a hard road, and we are looking forward to starting to get our veterans benefits that they deserve.
Katie, a lot of people may not even have had prior knowledge of this issue before all of this came to light. And could you remind us, everyone at home, why people have been fighting so hard, including yourself, to get this passed?
Yes, absolutely, Deborah. Thank you for that question. It's been a long time since I have been in a combat zone, but so many people that I know, and I have testified to this, that there are so many people out there that have unknown cancers, rare cancers, or they've been ill with autoimmune and other lung issues, had no idea that this was all linked to their service. So they were unable to get their medical care at the VA. Now that this is going to be passing, people like me who have autoimmune diseases that have unknown names will finally have a chance to have VA looking at those and helping us get the services that we need.
Katie, you've been on this sort of legislative battlefield. Are you hopeful that future legislation that is intended to help our veterans will not face the same kinds of hurdles and delays as this bill did?
I am hopeful, and I believe mostly why I'm hopeful is because as we move forward, Congress has seen how passionate we are and how hard we will work to get these types of things passed, and we're not going to let anything stand in our way. We're also very fortunate to have Jon Stewart on our side. So having a vocal celebrity that is able to talk about our issues and bring them more to light for the nation to see, I think that they're really going to have to work with us to help get more legislation passed to help veterans.
Katie Purswell, thank you for your service and thank you for talking to us today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.